Hey everyone! If we want to build our careers, connect with professionals, or find new job opportunities, creating a LinkedIn profile is one of the best things we can do. LinkedIn is not just another social media platform. It's a professional networking space where millions of employers, recruiters, and industry leaders connect every day. If we don't have a profile yet, or we're unsure how to start, there's no need to worry. Today, we will show you how to create a LinkedIn profile and explain why it's important for our professional journey. The main reason for creating a LinkedIn profile is to build our professional identity online. Our profile works like a digital resume, showing our experience, education, skills, certifications, and achievements. Unlike a regular resume, LinkedIn lets us connect with others, get endorsements, collect recommendations, and share updates about our professional growth. Having a LinkedIn profile also makes us more visible to recruiters and hiring managers who are searching for candidates. It helps us grow our personal brand, join industry conversations, and stay informed about trends in our field. Whether we are students looking for internships, professionals aiming for career growth, or entrepreneurs building connections, a well-made LinkedIn profile can open doors to new opportunities. Now, let's go through the steps together to create a LinkedIn profile in the simplest way. First, let's open our browser. We go to linkedin.com. Then, we log into our account. Once we're logged in, let's go to our profile. To access our profile, we just click the drop-down button on our mini profile next to Me. We click View Profile. Here, we will see our profile. First, we add a picture and complete the verification, which is very helpful. We can also update our previous work. On the lower part, we find the Post section. Here, we can share our sales portfolios or other work. We can use this area to show our experience. We should include all our experience here. If we want to add our education background, we can edit it in this section. Lower down, we see our skills. This is where we should add all our skills. Listing our skills will help impress recruiters and employers. This section is very important for our profile. Under Interest, we should share what we are interested in. For example, are we interested in administrative work, assistant roles, officer positions, or accounting? We can also improve our profiles by adding more sections to make them even better. By doing this, we can create a profile that stands out to recruiters. Once our account is set up, that's how we create a LinkedIn profile. We should complete all sections, upload a professional profile photo, write a clear headline, and keep our information updated. A strong and polished profile can make a great impression on anyone who visits it.